In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PowerPoint into Canva and edit it like a pro. We'll start right in the browser. Head to canva.com and sign in to your account. Any modern browser works, but a stable connection helps the upload go smoothly. If you're new to Canva, the free plan is fine for this workflow. Once you're in, create a space that matches the shape of your slides. Click Create a design and choose Presentation. The 16:9 option is the standard widescreen size and a great default for most decks. If your original PowerPoint was made in a different aspect ratio, that's okay. You can still import it and adjust later, but picking 16:9 now keeps things consistent with most displays. With your design open, look to the left sidebar and click Uploads. Then select Upload Files and choose your .bptx PowerPoint file from your computer. Canva will take a moment to process it and bring each slide in as an editable page. If you don't see the pages right away, give it a moment to finish importing. Larger decks can take a little longer. After the import, take a careful pass through every slide. Check that headings, body text, and bullet spacing look right. And make sure images and logos are sitting where they should be. Fonts that don't exist in Canva may be substituted, so if something looks slightly off, pick the closest match from Canva's font list. Charts and smart art from PowerPoint can sometimes come in as grouped shapes or flat images. If that happens, you can replace them with Canva's native charts or rebuild them with simple shapes for cleaner control. Also note that PowerPoint transitions and animations won't carry over, but you can add Canva's page transitions and element animations later if you want movement. Now the fun part, refine and customize. Click any text box to edit wording, tweak sizes, or adjust color to align with your brand. Swap images by dragging new photos from the Photos tab or your uploads onto existing frames. Use the position and align tools to tidy layouts quickly, and try the brand hub or styles to apply consistent fonts and colors across the deck. Canva saves as you go, but it's a good habit to rename your project at the top so it's easy to find later. When you're ready to share, click Share, then Download. Choose your format, PDF for printing, PPTX if you want to take it back to PowerPoint, or MP4 if you've added animations and want a video. You can also present directly from Canva using Present for a clean, full-screen experience. And that's it. Your PowerPoint, now polished and fully editable in Canva.